Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jennifer Snell, and today I get the pleasure of having LaTosha Williams on my channel, and she wanted to share her doTERRA story so that you guys can know what is working for her. And so, without further ado, LaTosha Williams.
Thanks for having me. I really appreciate it. And I just want to start by saying thank you so much for introducing me to the doTERRA world. I mean, it's changed my life, and I would say like within the last 6 months. The first thing I talked to you about was like the blood pressure, and you gave me some samples to use in those because at that time my blood pressure was super high, and just based on the samples that you gave me, it brought my blood pressure down. So like that was really my first experience with the doTERRA oils. And then, I used them with the GI mapping, which has improved like my gut health. I was having, issues. And I mean, I'm going to be frank, I wasn't having a bowel movement every day, and that was an issue.
That is an issue.
Yeah, and it was causing like other problems. And so it's like once I got on that regiment with the essential oils, along with some supplements, it has really I mean, I've lost weight, my energy levels are way high. Like I would have to take a nap throughout the day, like I had no energy whatsoever. And just, I mean, I get up, early in the morning, and I mean, I'm active all day long until like late at night. It's like sometimes I can't turn it off, but it has really improved my mental clarity. The MetaPWR, I'm currently using that. It has improved my mental clarity.
That's so great.
Again, I just feel like I have tons of energy now. I mean, and the older we get, like the energy levels start to drop. And so that is like important. We've got to keep going. We got to get up and keep going, but we've got to have some energy behind it. And MetaPWR has like just really helped. It has really helped. So just doTERRA, the doTERRA family of oils, and supplements that you guys have are absolutely amazing. And I mean, in my opinion, they're a game changer.
That's so great. I'm so glad it's working out for you. And thank you so much for sharing your story. And hopefully, this has, piqued some interest out there for anybody who's watching this. And maybe you're just not, you're having some gut issues or no bowel movements or whatever. Give me a shout. I would love to help you out and be part of your essential oil, be part of your essential oil journey. So, take care, everyone. Thank you.